recent videos, we've discussed my GoatFunded Trader account, my $100,000 challenge, and we've been able to show you all the steps that are involved in passing the account. And as some of you are aware, the account was passed and we have a funded account with GoatFunded Trader. Now, the account was in a slight bit of drawdown. We took a gold trade that we're going to be going through in this video, which got us a bit of drawdown in the account. We was able to secure $3,000 profit from a Euro USD trade, and I'm going to be breaking down these trades and showing you the withdrawal that I got from GoatFunded Trader. So the first trade that was taken on the account was this gold trade, and I'll break down what happened. So at around this time, at this price action, I decided to go long on gold. So I seen that the market had a nice demand zone liquidity grab. So we had this demand zone that was created, and then we swept this level and broke this previous pivot high. Once this previous lower high was broken, the market had a nice run up, and on a smaller time frame, we did have a nice retracement back into this given high, which I highlighted on my chart, and it was a great entry in my mind. So once we come into this zone, I didn't get the perfect entry. I entered in around here. So the trade looked along the lines of this, and I was just going for this high up here, and I placed my stop loss just below this covered low. As you can see, the market then went and swung this low, stopping us out, and then from there the next day opened up and the market was able to actually run to my take profit. This lost us 1% on the account, which is an appropriate risk management I like to use. So the funded account, we can break down the trades from this dashboard. So you can see this is a loss on the 24th of the 10th. You can see at the bottom down here we have this gold trade that lost us $1,000. In addition, we can download this scorecard and we can see the percentage loss on this trade. I'll just drag it out. You can see we lost 1.06%. So then, of course, you are not emotional with the account. You're not thinking, well, the account's now in drawdown, how am I going to bring the account back up? I'm just going to constantly have losses. The worst thing as a funded trader is to lose the first trade on a fresh new funded account. So I wasn't allowing this to affect me. I trade 1 to 3, so I risk 1% to make 3%. So I knew if I was able to secure the next trade, I'd be up in a profit of $2,000 after the loss is taken off the profit. So this is the Euro USD trade that was taken. As you can see, the trade was taken at around 5 a.m. On the 11th of November. Like I said, I don't know what I was doing at 5 a.m. trading, but sometimes you just wake up. Maybe I think that day I was actually not sleeping well, so I woke up, checked the charts, found a trade that I liked moving into the Asian session or moving from the Asian session, and I decided to take it, which made me the profit. So as you can see, very, very simple trade. Euro USD is constantly breaking legs towards the downside. We had this huge swing mark up, and I know a lot of traders were likely getting longs here, here, here. And then once this previous low actually was almost tagged in, because the signs of weakness up here is telling me that Euro USD wants to move down a little bit more. And as you can see onto the left here, we had this major low that was broken, and the next major low was down here, so we can mark those lows out there. So that's kind of your target. And as you can see, once we had this low broken, this level broken, we just needed to swing this level. Market had a small impulse back up. I took a sell at around 5 a.m. and then the market went down and swung this low, and that actually got me my 1 to 3 risk to reward, which made me $3,000 in total. If we then jump back onto the dashboard, as you can see, it's been reset, so the account is back to being able to trade. You can see this was 11th of November at 5:35 a.m. and this was a sell on Euro USD, which net profit was $2,950 after fees, which brought my grand total to around $1,900. And of course, GoatFunded take a percentage split from that. If you can just like blur the majority of this out, if you could just show this payout. So the payout from GoatFunded Trader, as I said, is an 80% profit share. And I was able to withdraw this profit. As you can see, this is the account number. The date was requested on the 20th of the 11th. It was $1,900 withdrawable profit, and then after the split, I was able to secure $1,500, which is around £1,200. I can show you my rise now, the money actually hitting my account. So if I go rise. Right, so yeah, this might be difficult. I might have to send you a screenshot roll because you'll see all my income. Yeah, I can't show my rise. Let's just cut that bit out because it comes up with all the transactions. I'll send you a screenshot of that one transaction, Anyway, and the beauty is with funded accounts is once you actually make your payout and once you've secured that payout, the account is reset and you can carry on trading on it. So now the account's reset. It's usually 72 hours to get a payout from GoFunded. I got my payout, if we go back onto the dashboard. So I requested my payout on the Wednesday. We then actually secured the profit in my account on the Monday. So again, excluding the weekend, it was under the 72-hour benchmark that GoFunded offer. So if you guys like this style of video, I'll keep you guys involved in the account that I'm trading with GoFunded. I also have many challenges with GoFunded that I'm going to keep making videos on and keep showing you guys the type of trades I'm doing and how I manage funded accounts, how I manage drawdown, what lot sizes I typically use, using the leverage of your profits and things like that, so we can make more videos like that in the future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next one.